Over time you save a lot. Imagine skipping the gas station altogether and plugging in at home while you sleep. Plus, with electricity prices often more stable than fuel, budgeting for your commute gets easier. And third, the drive. Electric motors deliver instant power. There's no lag, no waiting for gears to shift or engines to catch up. Touch the accelerator and you get a smooth, strong surge. No waiting for the engine to rev. It's a feeling that never gets old, whether you're merging onto the highway or zipping through city streets. EVs are quick, fun, and perfect for city driving. Their quiet operation and nimble handling make them ideal for busy urban environments, and parking is often easier thanks to their compact designs. Cleaner air, lower costs, and a better drive. What's not to love? Plus, as more people switch to electric, cities become quieter and more pleasant places to live. These aren't just compromises for the environment. In many ways, EVs are simply better cars. With cutting-edge technology, smart features, and constant updates, they're leading the way into the future. The shift to electric is about making driving smarter, cleaner, and more enjoyable. It's about embracing innovation and making choices that benefit both you and your community. It's a win for your wallet, your city, and your daily commute. And with more charging stations popping up every day, going electric is easier than ever. The future of driving is already here. The only question is, are you ready to make the switch?